can talk to him man them a little bit. Because I see Ivany come out and I big one up. And I say, she not see no man, you know? I have nothing bad to say about her crease. I be a woman, I bash her crease. Well, I see some woman come out and I say, boy, Ivany, you inspire me. You inspire them to sell crease. You know the wickedest thing in our life is when you do them something here. You see them same money where they pay to see you on a crease and go back this. And them same guy. I go tell them say, yo, Uno not qualify to be wife. Them same hypocrite man here, you know, what they boots you know, and I tell you, say, yeah man, I don't know if you sell crease. I don't know if you dash out to no crease by internet. I'll tell you something, man. I want to hear me have a conversation with a daughter. And me I show the daughter say, I don't care what me do in my life. You understand? If a woman asks me how much woman, you know, maybe me go through. And if me give her the number and she don't like that, suck her mother. You understand? Go where she go. She have the right for that. She have the right to say, go away. I don't want nothing to do with the dirty boy. I see much woman you're there with. And I see him with me reserved. I see him right there. To know say, I will never deal with a woman where fuck one whole bunch of man. Or they sell pussy for the internet. I follow this site on and sell crease for the internet. How am I go walk up and down? Like the woman them so they'll I have to be careful of the word them when you say because TikTok we ban you. TikTok they on some foolishness. But the woman them believe say them money when they subscribe to them OF and them something there. You understand? Only breeze and only AC and all kind of fun. Only believe so them money when they subscribe to it and them same one I will come married now. You have some the man them where I got married uno. I can promise on one thing. I can promise on one thing. Them the man them. Uno no want them. The man them where things say uno qualify for married to don't want uno. Uno don't want them. Uno look on them and they weak. Uno look on them and like or ugly man them for they run a back. You know what I mean? I feel sorry for them. Cause I can't understand, especially somebody like Ivany. Ivany is not ugly. You understand? Ivany look like she could have been a decent little girl. If she just were, you know, if she never like this. But you see that money I want to make right now, you know, I always tell you, you know, that money I want to make right now. You don't need to put some of it aside. You don't need to go invest some good business. Because I tell you, you see when that loneliness they hit, you see what they Ivany break down for internet and a ball, you know, and I say nobody don't want to play with her. Wait until she find out say nobody don't even want to stay with her. Right now they happy, you know, because them they are them prime right now and them say them look good. So them are monetize everything now. Them are sell everything. Fingernail and toenail, everything them are sell right now. But you see when that looks they gone, when you don't have that looks anymore, you go still like on the internet like this, like Rosalie. You are gonna look like Rosalie on the internet. And I kin up on the face. When you don't realize it, when I go there in one place and so much people have so much bad things to say about them. And if you get a husband and that husband need to know anything about Ivany all him have to just go up on the internet and then we find everything. I feel sorry for you, man. God go with you, God go with you. But we know so there is a day when we go and wake up and realize that sell increase thing, now go pay off in a long run. It a pay off now. It a pay off now. And see you come out of your brag, so you make 11,000 in a one day, in a how much hour. OF market a boom. Subscribe for more. I'm coming.